Wait, what?
Wait, I'm going like this and then go like that.
See how mine's cooking?
How does this? Just leave it for a little while.
Yannick, are we getting kisses and biscuits too?
Huh?
Are we getting kisses and biscuits?
Come feed. May I call your turkey leg?
Need 2 graham crackers. That. Oh no. That's not how you do it.
Okay, how do I do it?
Then you take a chocolate. What
And
chocolate?
you better go fast.
Give me a
want
kiss.
Hershey?
Okay, Hershey's is okay.
Boy, you better hurry.
Hurry.
Then put the marshmallow.
You have to slide up in.
And then.
And then.
Then you take that. This is not how I thought it was gonna work.
Lucky no. That shift.
Woo!
Alright, there you go.
I think that was a little.
That's it?
Mhm.
More.
S'mores. What? It's full. I need some water.
What's the
Water.
water?
Go get some in the thing. It's too sweet.
It's very sweet
That's the magic of s'mores.
and sticky.
I love it.
You love it?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, it's good.
It's good, but for my old self, no. It's very sweet. It's extremely sweet. But thank you guys for teaching me how to make s'mores.
Welcome.
Alright, you can cut.
Alright.